Okay, so I had UPS come today and brought a package. So just looking for a knife so I can open it. What I got is a exhaust system from GSE Performance, and what it is the Trail Tamer Muffler and then their Cooldown exhaust pipe. Okay. Open this up. See what we got. So here we go. Trail Tamer Muffler. And then all the instructions. Put that aside. Clamps. And that's for the cooldown pipe. So here's the cooldown pipe, which is the first section, and then we'll take that out. Now, benefits of it, so yeah, a little louder, they say that it helps the machine operate cooler, as well as a big one is to lower exhaust heat when you're sitting in the back of the side-by-side. Apparently one of the benefits, especially from this cooldown pipe. So, I mean, we'll see. It's pretty hot back there, so. It's really nice. Wow. This is going to be awesome. Here we go. So yeah, it looks really good. So my understanding is the cooldown pipe's going to come here, and then the muffler is obviously in behind. I hear my neighbor, so sounds like we're going to, he's coming over to say hi. Let's check him out. Got the old player Cindy. Okay, just going through the paperwork. So we got the instructions on how to install the muffler. So I am going to remove the bed like it suggests doing, so we'll do that next, and that'll make it easier to get out the stock muffler. And then in here is the instructions and the clamps for the cooldown pipe. All this is going to be a lot easier with the bed off, and it's pretty simple to do that, so that's what I'm going to do next. Okay, I just wanted to do a little exhaust test before I swap the exhaust so you can kind of hear it. Another video once I get the aftermarket exhaust put on. I just unplugged the trailer, or the taillight wire. Now I'm just gonna pull off the pins. Okay, so I got all the pins out, so now I'm just gonna slide it onto this table. Okay, so that's to get at this bracket there. The exhaust, the Trail Tamer Muffler, just goes up to here, and then if you get the cooldown pipe, it also takes gets rid of the cap. So yeah, 13 mil. So I gotta take this hanger off. There we go. That's crazy. This is heavier than the cooldown pipe, Trail Tamer Muffler, by like double. We're gonna have to cut right before the Y pipe here. So we got the Y that splits off to each cylinder. So we're gonna have to cut roughly right here. I gotta measure that up. And then that's where we take off the cap. Like, look at this. Stock exhaust, GSE Performance Trail Tamer Muffler. Crazy the size difference. Plus there's no packing in these mufflers, so there's no maintenance, nothing like that they have to worry about. When we go to the instructions, he wants us to cut 2 inches, 2 1/4. So it wants us to cut 2 1/4 inches back from the weld. 2 1/4 right here. We got the hacksaw with the fresh metal blade. There we go. So I'm just gonna slide this on out. There's our cap. Cooldown pipe, so the cat delete is done. But I just realized you're supposed to reuse the bolts. And I sheared one off, so I'm gonna do some digging and see if I can find something similar. Okay, so we got both the hangers just loosely mounted. And now what we're gonna do is we gotta mount up this portion. So we'll get the donut in, put that in like this. What I gotta do is find another bolt. Okay, short trip to Home Hardware. We got new exhaust bolts. That's on there. Let's do the first cold start here, and then we'll take her for a little rip. Wow, that sounds crazy. It's still cold, so I'm gonna let her warm up. See if you can kind of hear it in here, but it's not too loud. Okay, so there we have it. There we got the install of the GSE Performance Cooldown Pipe and the Trail Tamer Muffler for the Uforce 1000. It's the exact same as this is the Uforce 1000XL, exact same on the Uforce 1000. Pretty sweet product, sounds awesome, super lightweight. Can't wait to get out on the trail and go for a rip with it.